No, go ahead. It's just recording. It's the beauty of iPhone. It'll be on Facebook in about an hour. Okay, Joe, there's the X-ray. You can see, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a plate with 6 screws on it. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. Astute enough to do this. Anyway, back to the... I know you guys wouldn't want to miss this. There it is, exposed to the real world. There's the scar. Okay, talk to you later.